Well, unang-una, kailangan dito alalahanin natin dun sa grave threats, hindi mo kailangan ipakita na meron talagang assassin. Hindi mo kailangan para may managot sa grave threats, ay kailangan meron muna tayong makitang bangkay. Meron tayong nakitang talagang nangyari itong bagay na to. Sapat na may ginawang pambabanta na gumawa ng bagay na labag sa batas. No? At ito ay seneryoso dahil nakita based sa actions nitong gumawa ng pagbabanta before, during, and after na sinabi itong mga bagay na to ay seryoso siya. At na-produce niya yung effect na gusto niyang gawin. Which is, as we've stated, dito nagkaroon ng official statement from the President saying na nakakabahala itong ganitong mga sinabing pagbabanta. So, first and foremost, we don't even need to establish that there is actually an assassin. But, even if there's no need for it, as we've stated, it's clear already that there is an assassin. Yes, impeachment is both legal and a political process, but considering it's a legal process, kailangan i-consider yan. Yung rules on evidence dito, which we've been pointing out to a couple of times already, that itong admission against interest is one of the highest forms of evidence dahil itong pag-amin na to nanggaling na to mismo dun sa respondent. So, para sa amin, dahil lang sa mga bagay na yan, napakaliwanag na malakas yung basehan based sa evidence na nailatag na sumusuporta dito sa article on grave threats.